Hi guys, I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of this version macOS 10 Snow Leopard. As you know, I saw that video, I just uploaded at 10 AM my time. So here's Snow Leopard. I'll just show you what's inside. Okay. Okay, pretty much we get some Apple stickers. Yay. Warranty card. Instruction manual and stuff on it. And the Leopard CD. Whoops. Okay, here we go. This is what you get. Sorry, a bit messy desk there. Just put it on the keyboard. So as you can see, this is what you get in the Snow Leopard bag box. There we go. It's a full install as well. Support and everything. Apple stickers. And of course, the manual. Well, sort of the new features. Designed by Apple in California. Alright, pretty sweet. Just thought I'd show you that, guys. This is Snow Leopard and what you get in it. All good. I will do an installation video of this on my MacBook Pro and also probably on the Mac Pro as well. So stay tuned.